There you go.
Try that again.
Now you're not on the super fast speed, Mr. Dave.
Let's try that again.
I did that the other day when we were filming.
So that's why the camera was like that.
That was the other day. It wasn't today, mister. There we go.
So, where did our adventure take us today? Yes, this is a different car.
Took us to pick apart.
Why are we at Pick Apart?
Because somebody didn't tell us that the head was no good on the other car, and the fact that there's a bent valve and a broken valve on cylinder number 2 on the other engine, and there's a hole in the piston. So what are we doing? We're getting a VTEC head. Yeah, we dirty.
We dirty.
Right?
We dirty.
But got our head. Got some pistons. You guys see. Bye, car. Thank you. I'll see you guys later.
Back to Petunia.
Welcome back, guys. So, it's been a few days, but we're back on the Civic. Well, I am. Dave's busy. So, not much I can do today. Just still hurting a little bit. But, in any case, just show you guys the extent of the damage that we had that I showed you last week. And, well, now you guys can take a look for yourself and see just how bad it is. And that right there, that's the exhaust valve. That's what is not supposed to be there, and there's a hole in that piston. But what we're gonna see is the other extent of the damage, and that'd be on the head. And as you can see, there it is. I mean, focus pretty good. Snapped off there, beat in there. Now, already got a new head and everything for it, switched everything over, and got that set up ready to go. So tomorrow we'll be draining out the well, already draining the oil right now, but tomorrow you guys will see. I'm gonna go ahead, get down on the pulling off that pan and pulling that piston out of there, because what we're gonna do something that probably not supposed to be doing, but went ahead and picked up a stock rod and a stock piston out of that same engine out of the junkyard. So I'm gonna swap it out. We're gonna find out if it works. But as you can see, you got the new VTEC head. Installed the solenoid, intake, and everything on there. She's ready to go. So once I get that rod out of there and replaced, and yes, I'm gonna hone the cylinders, replace the rings, but at least I'm gonna put a used rod in there and we'll see how it goes. I mean, it's a $600 car. What goes wrong? You still gotta buy an engine? Okay. That's where I'm at with it. But just curious. We're gonna use this as a little test and see just if you can, just by chance, see. We all know it's possible. Anybody can make it possible. But the main thing that we want to find out is it going to work as far as like longevity goes, and you know, see if there's going to be any vibration in the engine and everything afterwards, and basically go from there. But I'll show you guys in a few minutes. We'll be back and show you guys what we're going to be doing. So I'm sure people have seen before or asked before, or I don't know, just generally wondered, can you take and replace just one piston that's damaged in your engine? Well, yeah, you can. Does it make it right? Probably not. But is it going to work? Will it be reliable? There's questions. I haven't seen anything out there yet that people have done, and figure why not? The engine's already shot. What's worse going to happen? So, got one from the junkyard. Gonna go ahead and put one in this engine. So, that's where we're at with it right now. Be back on it, and you guys will see it later, of course. Gonna go ahead and drop the pan, pull the bolts off the connecting rod, pop that bad boy out, own the cylinder, and we're gonna install a used piston from the junkyard. And everybody's like, wait. Where are you gonna put a used one? Gotcha there again. Reason being is a used piston that is factory with roughly the same amount of miles as on that engine is going to be around the same weight. We'll be off maybe here or there, maybe a few ounces, but if I go and say buy, you know, a set of aftermarket pistons for it that were not built in the same factory or close to the same factory and close to the same specs, there's going to be subtleties in the weight. And you say, well, these are balanced. I don't know about you, but it's a Honda. Most of the time from the factory, it's not performance, it's built for economy. I highly doubt they're going to balance it down that much. It's not a full race build. It's not coming from a machine shop where they're going to balance the whole rotating assembly. So, that being said, figure, why not give it a shot? What's the worst can happen? Thing's already damaged, or I gotta rebuild it. So, why not? So that's what we're gonna do. But anyways, guys, back to the car. We'll see you guys later.